U MLA Balarangba ka NPP na Resu Belpara u Timothy di Shira ula pentip ba ula bo ya kashiti Iehnoh akam kum u Deputy Speaker ka ying dorbar hadin ka jing betha da kinongelam bahalor jong ka parti habakren syakilat betai kebor hene ka singi paratrik nailur u Timothy u pentip ba ula yok pediang ya ka phone call na u Menteri Rangba ka jela u Conrad ki sangma hakamit nyautrik nailur hakaba ula betha ya u ba un Iehnoh akam kataya kaba ulale klam dabu jingkeli halor kani karai ngam dan AA palat ban kentho halor kani namar ngala deban bu ya kasithi Iehnoh kam katkum ka jing betha da kibor bahalor jong ka parti bat ka ai kabala betha ya nga ban le ngala deb ban le kumta ka syong ha ka jing start jong Menteri Rangba la un pen syong ya nga ha ka no ka jakaru ya kata ngampat dan jing tep satya ulaong habakeli u Shira ula banjur ba ubat ya ka jingkot jingmut ka baskem ha ka jinglong ka babet berhenti jong ka parti da ka baong bakum ubriu ka parti umla satya ban kentat ya ka kyrpad jong Menteri Rangba ngadan ka jing syania ka bapura ha Menteri Rangba ngamla ban ong namar udai Menteri Rangba ubangas ngojan ong uni unongelam san perthai upalarim haba jubab ya kawaipat ka jingkeli u Timothy ulaong ngam dan satya ngas ngohon ya ka nikarai haba keli halor kalat ban sya kenthop ha ka jingpen kela ya ka kenhun menteri u Timothy ulapan pau ya ka jingbam thikna da ka paong bakum ka nikarai ka syong ha Menteri Rangba
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't take a note, remember once more.
I don't have any further comment. That's all.
So why the decision suddenly?
Suddenly decision is up to our party high command.
So is there a push for other MLAs to, take over?
That also I don't know. Only last night I received a call from CM. Then he said, "Oh, you better resign tomorrow." So I resigned. I said, "Well, party man, I cannot say no."
But you should have said why. You should have protested.
I did not ask why also because I don't like to ask why. Because I know it is prerogative.
But you are the most senior person.
Even then, you say, as a senior most party man, I should not ask him also. It depends on his wisdom.
Don't you think that you should know the reason? You are perfectly all right now. There is no sickness. Why somebody has to say that you have to resign immediately?
That is why I say I don't have any further comment on that. Because you see, I have tendered my resignation as per the direction from the party high command. And say what I am asked to do, I have done it. So it depends on the what is called the wisdom of the Shem, whether he asks me to sit somewhere or go somewhere. That also I don't know. I did not ask him why I should resign.
Not even a single word was said. Why? The reason why?
No. Till now.
Maybe you will be accommodated in the cabinet, in the reshuffle.
That also I don't know. I say it is his prerogative. I tell you. Yeah. I don't know whether I'll be inducted or I'll be thrown away or I'll be sent somewhere else. I say.
So, but
It's not too early, I think. They want to do the election of the deputy CM within this session. So I have to keep way.
So are you not angry?
Huh?
Are you not angry?
Huh?
Angry.
No, I'm not angry. I'm quite satisfied.
So
This is my nature. I never get angry.
Sir,
In politics, so far as politics is concerned, I never get angry. About 11 at night, when I was able to sleep, for 9:30.
So he
So
has,
far I remember.
he has not explained to you the reason why you should quit.
No, I did not ask for explanation also. I didn't ask him also.
But is it not a logical, normal thing? The question comes.
I have a full trust in him. I don't know. You see, so I cannot say no because he's my most favorite CM.
So who will be succeeding you?
What?
Who will succeed you as a deputy speaker? Next deputy speaker, who will be?
Next deputy speaker, that also I don't know. Who will be? Whom they will pick up for deputy speaker? That also, you see, it is not within my knowledge. I am not giving suggestions. I don't know. I don't give you any suggestion.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shira yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.